was sent this set of electrician's tools and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here's everything you're going to receive. It comes in a really nice carry box. Kind of has a handle that stands on top like that. This is stackable, so if you have others of similar design, then these locking pieces on the side here are going to grab onto the box above or below you. You'll be able to lock it in place. The top here flips up, and you've got presentation of all the tools here. You get the marketing information here. These are some attaching hardware for the handle here, just to thread that in there, make it permanent. And here are the tools that are provided. These are all insulated grips, so if you're stripping wires, you're doing anything with a live wire, you're going to have some insulation from the metal in the tool with the hand grip. Now this stripping tool here, really well done, super sharp here and accurate in terms of the measurements around AWG or millimeters. So you're going to be able to look at what size you're dealing with here, 10 up to 20. Or 2.6 millimeters down to 0.8, and have the right size there. If you look on the other side here, it's going to adjust the guide for AWG solid versus stranded wiring. So you get the usefulness of this measurement here, if you know what size wire you're dealing with, which one to use every time for a good strip of that wire. You've also even got here some pinching where you can make some cutoffs with that. And then a secure piece here to keep it closed. So really nice wire stripping tool here. Nice pair of cutters here. It has a nice angle to it, so it's interesting. This is not a straight tool. This has got a little bend to it. So as you're working with your tight quarters, this might be more helpful for you for doing those cutoffs and what you need to be able to reach in there. These already come with a little bit of light oil on them and lightly greased, so they feel really nice. And the hand grips, again, are large, have a guard here so you don't go forward and touch the metal if you're dealing with live wire scenarios and whatnot. So again, really nice set of cutting dikes there. And then here's another one, solid. I mean, this is a big, the head on this is big. Look at it relative to my hand here. You've got cutting dikes in the center here, but then you've got a pair of pliers with some serrated teeth here that allow it to grab a hold. And if you're pulling wire and stripping it off, you're not going to let go of that. It's going to grab on really tight. And you've got a crimping tool. So built right in here is a crimping tool that you can slide your fitting in there and pinch down on it and be able to create a crimp right here with this size pair of pliers. Very large, this thing fits in your hand, but you can get a lot of leverage with it because of the size. Then finally, two screwdrivers that are also insulated, not just on the handles, but all the way down to the end of the tip. So the whole head here, whole shaft, is all insulated with plastic. And then you've got your flat head on this one and your Phillips head on this one. So this is a number 2 Phillips. And this is a standard, it's a PH2. And then on the other side here, just a standard flat head. And these two are going to be your most used ones with electrical work, and really got a good feel to them. So as you're spinning through doing your job here, these are going to be nice and comfortable in your hands. They've got a little bit of padding in them, a little bit of give, and again, fully insulated so you don't get electrocuted if you're using that. Even on the bottom, they're marked with the flathead versus the Phillips, and you've got some hanging holes here so you can put these on the wall on pegboards. Overall, a really nice kit. I'm really appreciative of the thoughtfulness that went into it. You even get this carrier that you could keep in the box, or you could remove the whole thing and put this right into your sliding drawer toolbox as needed, because it's already got the cutout for you built into this foam. I hope that helps to learn a little bit more about this insulated electrician's kit from CRIPOP. Hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.